does not matter how slowly you go as long as you do not stop. Confucius. My friends, we see the markets each and every day back and forth. And what are we looking for? We're looking for trackable price movement. That is what we jump on. And of course, with the S&P, this latest down move, we tracked it down and garnered ourselves a nice little dividend of 1.83%, hoping that it would continue. What do we see going on right now? Well, it's turning into a green spinning top, up again a little bit today, almost a doji. You can see where the 2-day has now closed, pushing through, started pushing through on Thursday, finished up pushing through, of course, on Tuesday as that 2-day candle closed. We see that the volume is just about average. We can see several days of up movement, piercing our weekly trend line. What are we looking for now? We're looking to see if that continues over the next couple of days so that we might jump into, depending on the volume, which is pretty low right now, might give us an opportunity to jump into an up move. And we do see, as we track it, we are right there at the pullout point. If there was any reason you were still in, hoping beyond hope that things might not hit that level and take back from you everything the market had given you, hoping that it would continue to go long. You, of course, don't have to wait that long. I know some of you took your profit and then, of course, pulled out when things started to move up back into positive territory. That's fine too. You can wait, you can take the profits, you can pull your trade whenever. This is what you're practicing and learning how to do, what to do, when to do, why to do it. But right now we do see weakness in that down move, even more so, of course, on the NASDAQ 100. That last pullout point came yesterday afternoon on Monday when it did hit the profit, or rather the loss band. Never hit the profit band on that down move. It just, again, did not do what we saw it do for us last time, and then move on down and give us again, a nice return on that 2.58. Did not do it for us on this one. Market took back what it had previously given. We, of course, have blown through now for 2 2-day candles, the weekly trend line, and for several on the half day. So again, looking to potentially load up for an up move, again, going at the end of this next week in a practice trade. We'll see how this week continues to develop. What about 20-year bonds? Well, they rolled back over again, down just a little bit for the day, 0.14%. Of course, they have been very good to us. We had a nice 2.10% gain on the down move and then continued to let that ride. How many of you have stayed in, or have you already pulled it and taken your profit? It was quite nice. Again, right about 6%. So not bad. And again, not that you had to pull out. You may still be riding that down move. What about gold? Gold reverted back over to a down move for the day, 0.17%. We do have a green up candle on the 2-day and decent volume there, something to pay close attention to. Same thing on this spinning top for the week. And of course, we can see that green volume there. Again, we're 2 days into the week, and we can see that the volume is all right. It may be by the end of the week at that average, something we want to pay close attention to. We'll continue to keep our eye on gold. Of course, it reached down to the 1.69%, right down there to that profit band, and now has moved up into the red territory. But it does look like gold is cooling off again. So we'll keep an eye on that. Lastly, Bitcoin down again today. Another weak week. Had a little week where things tried to start, then things blew off. Last week, some more up move, and then this week appears to be blowing off, down for the day 0.87%. You can see the weekly trend line on the 2-day and the half-day charts. And of course, hard to see a lot going on there, except, again, It is above on both of them, so we will keep an eye on it. You have questions, problems, concerns, we sure love to hear from you. CW@chartingwealth.com. 10 to 15 minutes each and every day following these stock charts. That is all we ask, my friends. God bless. All the best from the whole team at Charting Wealth World Headquarters.